Talking about tuner tailpieces here. The weight can make a very big difference, and so we've set up an experiment just to further understand tonal implications of instruments at Luther Strings. So if you look here, we have a basic tuner tailpiece. It's like a hard plastic. This is 68 grams. Acousticus, a very nice German tuner tailpiece, 79 grams. Whitner tuner tailpiece, 81 grams. And then we get into our wood options that also have attached tuners. And so this hill style ebony tuner tailpiece with the tuners, 175 grams. A thicker ebony tuner tailpiece with attached tuners, 183 grams. And then this classic K tuner tailpiece, also for cello, is 190 grams. In my hand are little cubes of tungsten. It's the heaviest metal next to gold, and unfortunately we don't have chunks of gold. But, so you get an idea of the weight of these tuner tailpieces and the denser, thicker wood. There's no wood removed from the bottom of this tuner tailpiece. You'd have to add this much weight to this tuner tailpiece to get to the weight of this one. 79 grams to 190, it's over twice the weight. Even though they look maybe similar in size, you'd have to add all of that tungsten. It's quite a bit of weight, and that's what we're going to experiment with today. Just so you can see, we added weight to the second time you heard this selection, and I'll show you. We taped the pieces of tungsten to the back of the tailpiece. So this will completely come off now. And way one was without that.